Model 3Y 6.86-inch display screen installation instruction. This is a 6.86-inch display with a Model 3 or Y. Package contains instrument host face shell, video signal extension line, video signal adapter, camera power supply, power line, AHD camera. Assemble the AHD camera wiring. Connect the red head of the AHD camera to the black head of the camera power cord. Connect the yellow head of the AHD camera to the yellow head of the video signal extension cord. Separate the black-red line. The red lines are stitched together with the red lines of the signal extension lines. Wrap the wire with an electrical tape or a rubber tape ring. Make a yellow connector at the other end of the video signal extension cord. The video input AHD yellow street connection. Extend the video signal to the other end of the red line. Splice it together with the pink line of the video signal transfer cable. Then wrap the wire with an electrical tape or a rubber tape ring. Now let's go to it and install it. First, click on the steering wheel on the car screen. Long press the button on the left side of the steering wheel until fully out. Remove the upper steering wheel trim panel with a pry lever. Pry out the black band buckle. Open the dashboard and remove it. Use the tool to remove the left and right side trim panels. Remove the front passenger side door trim. Remove the center console trim panel. Pull off the fix head. Remove the passenger's foot pedal trim plate. Pull off the fix head. Find the power plug in this location. And find the OBD blue plug on this location. Pull off the plug and connect with our plug. Then connect our white plug to the blue plug of the vehicle. Place the line on the center console. Turn down the screw with a hexagon screwdriver. Remove the baffle with a crowbar. Open the pre-ready box. Use the tool to remove the 4 set screws. Remove the baffle. Remove the plug. Take out the front spare box. Before installing the front-facing camera, turn the screw tight first. Install the camera under the front license plate and tighten the screws. Put the line in from the air inlet. Then draw the line from the bottom of the back box. Connect the previously installed line. Line up under the edge of the front spare box cover. Pass the tip through the passenger position. Then pull the line from the center console to the steering wheel position. Install the 6.86 display screen. Tighten the display with the tool. Connect the power plug and the screen plug. Waiting for the boot screen. Press the black buckle and mount the screen cover on the steering wheel. After storing the excess line, install the fix head. Take the cover plate from the new fit and tighten the screws. Then install the center console trim bar. Install the passenger seat foot trim and insert the fix head. Install trim and left and right decorative panels. Then install the waterproof tape. Put the front ready box on. And put the board on. Finally, install the baffle and cover with the front spare box cover, and the installation is completed.